Quick, simple, and most importantly, delicious sides are essential to balance out any meal. And my go-to for green beans, carrots, potatoes, and so many other sides is to roast them in the oven.
For the roasted gourmet potatoes, feel free to leave the skins on and just cut the potatoes to 1-inch pieces. Add thinly sliced sweet onion and drizzle with olive oil. Then sprinkle with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Mix it all around to get them coated evenly. Line a sheet pan with aluminum foil and coat it well with oil. This allows the potatoes to become crispy on both sides without stirring them. Then spread out those beautiful seasoned potatoes in a single layer. Pop them in the oven, and about 20 minutes later, you can top them with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley before you dig in. Next up, roasted green beans. To save some time, I buy them washed and trimmed. Place them in a large bowl, coat them well with olive oil, then sprinkle on the seasoned breadcrumbs. I use gluten-free, freshly grated Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Mix them really well so those gorgeous beans are evenly coated with seasonings. Then spread them out on a parchment-lined baking sheet. In the oven for only 10 minutes, the breadcrumbs get toasty and the beans still retain that amazing green color while still being completely cooked. Now on to these sweet thyme carrots, a play on words because they're seasoned with melted butter, maple syrup, fresh thyme. You can put the stems in and all, and a little salt. Just give it a good stir in the baking dish and it comes out of the oven in 20 minutes, perfectly sweet and fork tender. You can remove the tough stems and sprinkle with more fresh thyme leaves to finish it off.
The green beans, the carrots, and the potatoes are some of my family's favorite side dishes because they love how good they taste, but they're also some of my favorites because they're pretty nutritious and so easy to make.
What's not to love? You can find these recipes and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.